Spring has sprung and I am here at the South Coast Botanic Garden for two different events today. The first is the Spring Egg Hunt, which runs through April 30th, and it is presented by OVO, the Cirque du Soleil show, which is now playing at the Microsoft Theater in Los Angeles. Hidden throughout the garden are 8 eggs themed to the different characters of OVO. And they also have their butterfly exhibit going on right now, which is Soar. There are over 300 butterflies, 30 species, all tropical butterflies on exhibit inside of their greenhouse, butterfly house. So I want to see both of those. We'll split this up into 2 different videos. So if you're watching the egg hunt video today, make sure you watch the butterfly one, and vice versa. If you're watching the butterfly, make sure you watch the egg hunt. South Coast Botanic Garden is one of my favorite places to come. The egg hunt is included with admission, so if you're a member or if you purchase a daily ticket, it is included. They give you the little map, you can walk around. If you want to see the butterflies, if you're a member, it is a $5 timed upcharge, $7 for non-members. So let's go explore the garden. It is a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And my phone already died. I already saw the butterflies, I had to go back to the car. So let's try this egg hunt and try to find all 8 before my battery dies on the phone again. I have found 4 so far, and I will say it's easier than the one at Disney California Adventure. Did have a hard time with that one. The first 4 were on the main tram road, although I don't believe there is a tram, but they call it tram road. 2 are hidden in there somewhere. So I'm going to see if I can find those now. As you can see, there's some beautiful artwork hidden throughout the garden. I'll put a link to a video that I did a few months ago where we went around and looked for all the different art pieces. I thought some were seasonal, but I see a lot that are still here. So check out that video. I'll put a link down in the description with a link to the butterfly video. That one was called Hide and Seek. And that one will say South Coast Botanical Garden Hide and Seek. I don't remember the exact title, but I'll put a link down in the description. And make sure you watch that. And then also the butterfly video as we continue to roam the garden. I see another one. Who is this one? Let me see. Coming up on another. So here's the butterfly. It says butterflies taste with their feet. That's why their olfactory organs are located. So here is the butterfly. There you go. This is number 5 for me. And I think there's one hidden in the meadow back there somewhere. While we look at some of these beautiful wildflowers, let's tell you a little about OVO. OVO is teeming with life. This is a Cirque du Soleil show playing at the Microsoft Theater. Insects work, play, fight, and look for love in a non-stop riot of energy and motion. Their home is filled with biodiversity, beauty, action, and moments of quiet emotion. The awestruck insects are intensely curious when a mysterious egg appears, representing the enigma of cycles of their lives. So as you can see, this egg hunt is perfectly fitting for Easter here in the garden, and all the eggs are themed towards insects from OVO. And the wildflowers are beautiful. Make sure you really, if you come here, look around very closely because a lot of this artwork is hidden. You can actually book a dinner at this little table too. It's an art piece, but you can actually have dinner up there. Let's see, we got 3 more eggs before my battery dies. Now I'm on the Acacia Loop Road. Oh wow, I don't know what that is down there. The Acacia Loop Road looking for the next egg in Hidden Meadow. So I'm seeing the sign for the egg, which is the scarab. Oh, look at this guy. Scarab beetles are generally oval-shaped and stout, ranging in size from minuscule 1 centimeter to mythic 16 centimeters. Some scarab feed on sheep, cattle, and elephant droppings. Burp. I hope you enjoyed these videos from here at the South Coast Botanic Garden. Make sure you watch both. Make sure you're watching the egg hunt and also the butterfly, the soar exhibit. There's a lot of other events coming up here at the garden that we'll be back for. Like I said, we've been here before for Glow, their holiday event. I'll put a link down in the description for that one. And their hide and seek, the artwork in the garden. So make sure you watch all those. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel to be notified of upcoming videos. Make sure that notification bell is turned on. You can follow us on social media at theFUNnelCakeBlog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter.